Trees and a windmill are silhouetted at sunset. A spiral-shaped pool with deck chairs rests between four-story apartment buildings. People walk on the pool deck. The entry has sign reading Liam at Hayes Farm. Brick and sided facade blocks break up the rows of windows and balconies. The grassy courtyard has paths and lawn games. People play box ball. The common gathering area has a mosaic tile backsplash and counter walls with chunky stone-look countertops. A person pulls a drawer open with coffee pods. Coffee drips out of machine. Two women sit on a couch and talk. The lobby has couches, chairs, and tall windows overlooking the courtyard. The weight room has machines and treadmills. Pilotons line up on a wall. Free weights rest in racks. The exercise room looks out over the pool. A large open square apartment building is surrounded by smaller townhomes with ground-level garages and raised living quarters. A woman walks into an apartment with striated wood cabinets, stainless appliances, and two-tone stone-look counters. She walks into the adjacent living room that looks out onto a balcony. The child's playroom has tables, chairs, whole playset, pretend kitchen, and foam blocks. The bike room has racks for locking bikes. A pool table and foosball set fill a game room. Dogs frolic in a turf fenced-in area. They play ball. One stands in a washing station. The shopping area has a grocery store, coffee shop, and popular dining locations. People sit at an outdoor fire pit with large flames. Distant mountains rise in the distance beyond the complex.